Hey there, beautiful people. This is Mentor Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. I want to make sure you guys have what you need if you are going through layoff, and I want to give you some tips on how to set yourself up. Let's do some career planning now that you have been laid off and there are some things that you are dealing with. I want to make sure you have what you need to be able to get through this layoff shining like the diamond you are. Stay tuned. Hey there, beautiful people. Let's get right to it. This is Mentor Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. We are going to dive right in. And of course, as you're coming in or as you're watching this video, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And of course, as you know, I am the author of the book, From Clueless Teenager to Consummate Professional. 7 Steps to Getting the Career and Life You Want. You can find that book at mentorshelley.com/book for your teenagers that are getting ready to graduate in the next few weeks, folks. So go ahead and grab that for your career focused Gen, I don't know what they call them, Gen Alpha or something like that now, or for the generation that's coming out of high school and college this particular year. So let's dive right in, guys. Career planning 101, how to set yourself up for success after being laid off. Nobody understands it better than I do, because I actually been laid off a few times, and that is not something that is a pleasant experience on several fronts. Of course, we want you to take that first step, pause, don't panic. Take a moment to woosah, as you see her here. She's woosahing because it's absolutely necessary. You got laid off, but you didn't lose a talent that got you that job or that has been carrying you through your career. In your experience, your ambition, you still have it. So let's move with that energy. But you are human, so that's why the first thing I say to do when you've been laid off is to take a moment. Woosah, take a day, take a couple of days, depending on what you have and how you're set up at the time. Now, second step, take inventory of the skills and the wins you do have and the accomplishments and what you've achieved in a lot of the positions that you've been in, or if you're a business owner or you were a business owner or you have a business but you are still working. Take hold of those wins. Keep an inventory of your skills, like you see here on the right side of the screen. What skills do you have? What problems can you solve? What results can you drive? What teams, what did your team always come to you for? Those are things that need to be documented. Write them down. I don't mean arbitrarily. I mean start typing or start writing. Write them down. Number 3, set your career GPS. Don't just go job hunting. Be very strategic with this, folks. We've talked about this in several videos. The goal isn't to just to find a job, but to land the right opportunity. That means you're going to have to change your strategy here. Don't just apply to everything that moves, okay? You want a similar role to the company? Depending on if the answer to that question is yes, then you'll need to be applying to positions or companies that have those type of positions open, or you have a relationship, whether it be first or secondhand connection to people that make decisions about those type of positions. Number 2, are you thinking of shifting industries? Then you are definitely going to have to take an inventory of your skills and make sure you have those ready to restructure your resume to start looking for positions in different industries. Now, are you ready to rebuild and do your own thing? That's a whole nother set of skill. You see, that's why the first step is first. You have to inventory the skills. Are you going to use those skills to start a business? Are you going to use them to shift industries? Or are you going to look for the same type of position? The list and the inventory of your skills, qualifications, educational levels is going to determine, no matter what direction you want to take, you are going to need that list, your inventory list, so you know what you can use to infiltrate or for you to use that morph into where you're going. Okay. Step 4, you want to rebuild that professional brand online and off, but online is where I'm focused on right now for this video. Step 4, rebuild your professional brand, your resume, your LinkedIn profile. Those two things should be saying similar things. Your elevator pitch, all you need to tell your cohesive story. It needs to answer the question, who you are, what you bring to the table, and why you're ready to level up, and what type of goals you can accomplish for that particular employer, or if you're going into business for yourself, what kind of goals you can and results you can achieve for your new and incoming clients. No shame, no long-winded layoff explanations, just value, clarity, and confidence. Whenever you put this together based on this framework, make sure it's about 30 to 45 seconds. It doesn't have to be a long elevator pitch for it to be an effective elevator pitch, but it has to have who you are, what you bring to the table, what you're ready to level up, and what you can accomplish, what goals you can help that employer accomplish. Step number 5, get strategic support. Guys, let's be real. Career planning after layoff is a whole job within itself, and you don't have to do it alone. Whether you need a roadmap for accountability purposes, how to help you package your experience like a powerhouse that you are, I am here to help you come back with strategy, not stress. Depending on if you are looking to go back out into the work field, whether you're going back to your same industry or you're about to make a shift and go to a different industry. My Overcoming Layoff Workshop is powerful, and it will absolutely help you to do either one of those things. It's a powerful live experience where we walk through everything from mindset to resume updates, your LinkedIn positioning, your job search strategy. You can go to mentorshelley.com/layoff to help you get started. I am still putting more tools in the layoff workshop, and we're going to have some additional live sessions to make sure that all of your layoff needs are being addressed in that workshop. Of course, guys, if you want to take if you want to have your layoff session, you want to have your layoff strategy session one-on-one with me, you don't want to join us in the workshop, but you want to work with me one-on-one. You can go to calendly.com/mentorshelley3 and schedule your layoff/career strategy session. You'll have your own personalized strategy outside of what we provide in the workshop, a more comprehensive roadmap so you can get to where you're going, whether you're re-entering your same industry, changing industries, or you're starting your own business. We can help you strategize in all 3 of those areas. So definitely, if you want to work with me one-on-one, go to mentorshelley.com/calendly, calendly.com/mentorshelley3. And of course, if you have been laid off, we want to hear from you. If you have been laid off and you're looking for help, or you have just regular questions, go ahead and go to my website at mentorshelley.com/contact, or you can leave me a voicemail or an email message, and I'm more than happy to return your voicemail and email within 24 hours. Or you can leave a message below in the comments, or ask your questions in the comments, and I'd be more than happy to oblige, guys. I want you to have what you need, so we know for sure that this is a roadmap. Follow this roadmap. This is just a very small roadmap. This is just a tip of the iceberg to what you'll be able to use in the Overcoming Layoff Workshop, or if you work with me one-on-one. This is Mentor Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally, as we are here to make sure that you have a career plan, especially after a layoff. All right, guys, take care. Have a good one. Bye.